Hello and welcome back to Jelly DIY Christmas edition. Today I'm going to go over a easy ornament. Oh no. Really? And it's a Christmas ornament. It's really easy to do. Doesn't require a whole lot of materials either. I will be listing all the materials you will need in the description box. So yeah, let's just get right into the craft. We start off with these Dollar Tree bulbs. You do have to take this top part off. Okay, so basically you take your bulb, got my Mod Podge too. I do have it in the matte. You can have glossy as well. Do you, boo? Do you? Okay, so we're gonna start with some Mod Podge and pieces of paper. So what I did was grab these papers and just tear them into little pieces. I just stripped the paper in little pieces. I like sticking my finger in the ball for more stability. Lets me easily rotate it. So take my brush, put on some glue onto the ball, and then start sticking on the paper. Try to kind of scatter them so the words aren't in one whole direction. All facing different directions and they're just overlapping. That's kind of the look that I'm going for. So as I need more glue, I just add more glue to another section. Oh, that was sloppy. And just continue the same process. With something like this, but there are spaces in between the papers. See, there's like plastic coming through. So what I'm doing is putting a layer of Mod Podge all over the ball. Give it a nice and generous coat. Now that's nice and coated, you just want to fill in the gaps. So once you're content with filling in the gaps, you just put Mod Podge over those extra pieces you added. Set that upside down for it to dry for a second. So I do have this twine, and I have this more rustic twine. That's still gooey. Let's give it a couple of seconds. You want it to dry, but not too much, because you are going to use that glue for this next step. I stick my finger back into the bulb, and it's just easier that way. But you're just going to wrap this around to secure it once around the mouth of your ornament. So once you have that tied up in the mouth of your ornament, you're just gonna wrap this anywhere in whatever direction that pleases you. There's no right or wrong. You're happy with how it looks, then you just cut it off at the top. Notice how I didn't glue it at the end either, but that's because you have this top that comes with your ornament that just kind of secures the string. See? And that's kind of how it looks like. It's like a little packaging ornament. And then I just wanted to add a little more rustic touch, so I added that twine bow at the top. Go ahead and cut this silver string off. I didn't want this to slip off. I did add a bit of my glue gun glue, just so it doesn't wiggle around later. So we're just gonna do a simple bow. Yes, there you go. Little dangling strings on my bow. I like them to be more or less the same size. Not a measuring type of gal. And then set that aside so I can cut the little string to hang it on my Christmas tree. Knot those together, and there you have it. Nice little rustic packaging looking ornaments. I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Please stay tuned for more Christmas edition DIY, and please like this video if you're enjoying my DIY content. Subscribe below if you haven't already. And as always, happy crafting, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.